My name's Ken Skinner. I'm president of Sustainable Equity Solutions. I actually consult with different aspects of real estate for asset owners, equity groups, covering industrial, office, mixed use. I've had a working relationship with fire systems for going on 20 plus years now. And in that, I have seen roofs ripped off of buildings, alarm systems absolutely flooded. And what do we need to do to get those assets back up and running ASAP, because there's lease implications involved. And they've always risen to that challenge, no matter what it has been. In my experience, it's been very crucial in operations to have those companies on site. And a lot of times when it's third party, you have multiple different vendors trying to communicate and do an annual or a test. And it takes so long logistically to get everything straightened out. Whereas with fire systems, they provide in-house service for fire alarm, fire sprinkler, everything encompassing in life safety and their employees. So I think they bring more focus. There's more accountability there. And at the same time, it streamlines that process. And that's been the driving factor for me. It means a lot to look back, 10 years when, fire systems may have come to asset and they're still there functioning and providing those services, where I may be not even part of that asset anymore. It's a whole nother group. So it speaks to fire systems and that service they're providing to other people, not just Ken Skinner. It's to everyone.